well, hello and welcome to Patrick's Models and Transport. So, I have reassembled the motor, resoldered this cable and this cable here. Of course, this cable I have to wire here, I have to push it back down properly. And I'm going to fit the brushes now, and then we'll test the motor. Obviously, after the first reassembling everything, resoldering this wire here, I noticed I had forgotten to refit the commutator axle washer. So I had to unsolder that and open it up again. This motor here it's very difficult to remove the you call it here the brush housing plate. So for some reason it sort of pulls the commutator, the rotor out. The rotor comes out, and probably, in my opinion, because this is a more recent Lima motor, and the metal frame of the how do you call it, the poles, has kind of plastic caps on it, so it's really the magnet is not gripping it so tightly. So when you take this off, it tends to just come out. So it's a bit of a bugger, to say the least. Okay, I said some worse things. Okay, it works. Right, that's the motor serviced. Cheerio, and see you next time. Next video, or maybe the continuation of this video, the pickup bogie. Right, I'm reassembling the pickup bogie. Of course, this is the motor bogie in direction of travel. So these wheels pick up. So obviously the pickup wheels are the ones on the other side. And now I've already applied some technical petroleum jelly to the axle boxes. I have to do this one as well. And then before clamping it down, I will put the spot of technical petroleum jelly on each axle to be able to guarantee smooth running and no oxidation, and also improved electrical pickup. Okay, so there we are, we're ready. We've got the pickup bogie that's been reassembled properly. I put some technical petroleum jelly on the axle so that everything is nice and lubricated, smooth running. There's the motor, and we'll actually make a single take video of the reassembly of the chassis. So that's that for the moment. I hope you enjoyed all these videos so far. Cheerio, and see you next time. I'm filming all these things on, actually now it's between Saturday the 10th of May and Sunday the 11th of May. Now it's actually Sunday the 11th of May. And there's my clock, that sometimes people have mentioned hearing the clock. So there's the clock. And here's the models, some of the model cars, 187, and some of the other, oh, there's the Bedford over there, the Bedford ML, beside the Bedford MT, and other odds and ends. Okay, very well. I've been using the E424, the FS E424, just to make sure I didn't make mistakes, because it's a Lima diesel electric locomotive, so it's the usual chassis. So just to have a reference locomotive to look at when I was doing these jobs. Right, cheerio, and see you next time.